Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, we even get a tailgate step, a nice black gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light indicated, and moving to the front, we do have 2 tow hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space, a carpeted interior, and we have cup holders, storage, 12-volt, USB-Cs, and 120 just right there. And of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Auto stop, auto start. You got your lights, spotlights, and tailgate opener. Oh, no. Parking brake on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 5.2 kilometers. We have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a leather-wrapped gear select. You have speeds, and it is collapsible with storage, cup holders, more storage there, with outlets. Got tons of storage. Let me just underneath, and it does lock with that key. And we do have our drive, 4-wheel drive modes, rear locking diff, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12-volt and 120. You got storage above and below, storage right here, and we do have our park assist right here, which is really nice. And above me, we do have our features for our rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking at our main screen here, we do have our audio, which does have our normal AM, FM, but we do get our Bluetooth and Sirius XM. You got your phone, you got navigation, Fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, or whatever you have selected there. Apps in general, there are any apps you download, such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD33955, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.